Just listed. A beautiful home with 1-floor living that is move-in ready with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage on a beautifully landscaped home site. This home features a spacious open floor plan, great room, vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, beautifully renovated kitchen, LVP floors throughout, California closet in the primary suite, sunroom, 3-season room, patio, hot tub, updated HVAC system, lawn irrigation with well, and a very large storage shed in the spacious backyard. All of this is in the conveniently located community of Bayshores that offers a community pool and clubhouse. Local shopping and the beaches in Lewes and Rehoboth are just minutes away. Call for an appointment today.